I think words can't express how excited I am. It's been from the very first day when I was the chosen one to be a part of an SS Rajamouli film. It is a dream come true for any actor to be directed by
Yes.
him and represented by him. So yeah, I wouldn't say too much. I have immense gratitude in my heart, and I think I'm one of those people who was screaming and shouting while I was watching the trailer, even though I'm a part of the film,
Part
because
of
I
the
was
film.
so excited and just I was telling Sir, I said he just knows exactly what to make an audience feel to the experience of the audience experiencing it.
And I must say, you look stunning on screen, stunning.
Thank
So
you.
I just have a small request. We have all Kannada fans. They would really want to hear you speak 2 words of Kannada. If you don't mind, if I can teach you, please.
ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.
I.
My tutor.
ಅನಿಯ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ನೀವು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರಿ ರಾಜ್ಮೌಳಿ ಸಿನಿಮಾದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡದೆ ಒಂದು ಪುಣ್ಯ ಕೆಲಸ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀರಿ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಯು ಸೆಡ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲಕ್ಕಿ ಫಾರ್ ವರ್ಕಿಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೀಮ್ ವಿತ್ ರಾಜ್ಮೌಳಿ ಸರ್ ಹೌ ವಾಸ್ ದ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪೀರಿಯನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ಮೂವಿ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಲುಕಿಂಗ್ ವೆರಿ ಬ್ಯೂಟಿಫುಲ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ವಿ ಫೀಲ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಯು ಲುಕ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ ರಾಯ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಮೂವಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಯಾ
Thank you. That's a huge compliment. It was a very, very, and it's still a learning experience. Even now, of course, it was a dream come true, as I've mentioned. I was very nervous because I'm speaking a language that I've just learned for the film. Um, so I was very nervous whether I'll be able to emote at the right point. Will I take the right pauses? Will I be able to, hold the power and importance of the lines? Because I got the translation and they're very important. Whatever I'm delivering, and it's for me, I'm like want to be the A plus student. I want to live up to my director's expectations. But honestly, when I went on set, Sir made it so easy for me because he knows exactly what he wants. Right, and every line, every emotion, the way he would come and direct me, the things he would say really pushed me as well. He calls him Jakarna, right? Which is a sculptor because he wants that perfection. And I couldn't agree more because he will really push you to your optimum limit so you can get that right emotion and deliver that on screen. But it was such a learning experience to understand we don't call him a master storyteller for no reason. He genuinely loves stories. So in between shots also, Sir was constantly coming and telling me stories. Different stories. And have you heard this story? Have you heard that story? Wonderful, which I still remember. And even now, I'm constantly picking his brains. So what do you feel about this? What do you feel about that? Because at the end of the day, the experience that he has and the understanding he has of Indian cinema, I just want to take all of it and digest it. So yeah, it's still a learning experience. One of the first things that Sir said to me in our meeting was that it's very important that you look the part. Because Sita is very loved and it's very important that I represent her. We've understood that in his films the authenticity comes through. It's not like he will just do something just to put it in. So it has to be extremely authentic. So 50% in my opinion is the look, for which Rama ma'am, Sir worked very hard, and I just showed up. The other part was for me to prepare the language, for which I prepared for I think 1 year and 3 months. I was just saying the lines again and again and again and again. And I would do that only because I don't want to be thinking about what I'm like, the way I'm speaking while I'm speaking it. I want to be thinking about the emotion. But speaking about the preparation, I prefer to always come a clean slate for the director, because if I come with too many preconceived notions, he gave me few words of her spirit, of her innocence, of her strength, of her vulnerability. I embodied that, and then I want to just be directed, go here, go there. Because otherwise, if you come too set with your preconceived notions, it becomes difficult for you to unlearn it. So as I said before, I was doing the learning on set.